Hey guys, let's discuss this problem on Heron's formula from R.D. Sharma, where this problem tells you that a triangle has sides 35 centimeter, 61 centimeter and 54 centimeter. So it has given you all these three sides of a triangle. Now you need to find the area of this triangle and also you need to find the smallest of its altitudes. So how you going to decide this going to be the smallest one? That I will tell you later. First of all, find the area of this triangle with all these three sides given to you. So using these three sides, suppose A is 35 centimeter, B is 61 centimeter and C is 54 centimeter. Now you know what you are going to do. You are going to calculate this semi-perimeter first, which is A plus B plus C by 2. Now let's put all these three values here in this expression. This will give you 150 divided by 2 and this will be 75 centimeter. After this, you will calculate the area using Heron's formula. So this is the Heron's formula. You know all these four parameter values for all these parameters. S is 75. 75 minus 35 is 40. 75 minus 61 is 14. 75 minus 54 is 21. Now what you are going to do? You are going to simplify this. How? Let me tell you. You can write 75 as 25 into 3. You can write 40 as 4 into 10. You can write this as 7 into 2 and you can write this as 7 into 3. So here 5 is the square of 5. 3 coming 2 times. 7 is coming 2 times. Here you can write 4 as 2 square. So now the value out of the root will be, this is 5 square, will be 5. 3 is coming 2 times. So let's take 3 out of the root. Let's bring 2 out of the root and 7 out of the root. You will be left with 20. So now after solving this, after evaluation you will be getting 939.8 and this would be 939.14. So this is going to be the area of this triangle, which is in centimeter square. Now what you are going to do after this, you are going to apply another formula for the area of this triangle, which is area is equal to half into base into height. You know the area already, which is 939.14. Half into base. Base can be anything depending on altitude. So formula for height will be 2 into 939.14 divided by base. Now you know that in a triangle, if there are three sides, so there are going to be three altitudes depending on all these three sides, because there will be one altitude on one side, another altitude on second side and then another altitude on third side. So here let's suppose when side is, you know all these three sides, when side is 35, then your altitude going to be 939.14 divided by 35. When your base is 35. When your base is 61, then your altitude will be 2 into 939.14 divided by 61. And when your base is 54, then your altitude is going to be 2 into 939.14 divided by 54. Now using calculator, if you will calculate this calculation is going to be very lengthy. So let me tell you a shortcut here. As you know, the denominator value here is 35, 61 and 54, because you can see here all the numerator values are same. So when denominator value will be the largest one, then that whole value is going to be the smallest one. So you can see here the largest denominator here is in this case and the smallest denominator here is in this case. So this is going to be the middle one. So here this value will be the largest one. Why? Because here the denominator value is small, so this whole value will become greater than another values. So you can write the order here. This value will be greater than, this will come in the middle, 54, and this value will be greater than. This I am writing just for your understanding. So here you can see here, as you needed to find the smallest of its altitude. So smallest here is this one. If you needed to find the longest one or the greatest one, so this will be this. But you need to find out the value for this. After evaluating the value for this, what you'll get? You'll get 30.79 centimeter. So this is going to be your smallest altitude. So I hope there should be no doubt in this question. I will be taking more problems in coming video lectures. Thank you.